Hey everyone, and welcome back to Ontario Vintage Tractor. Today I have a video that I'm going to put together. It's a bunch of snapshots of the restoration of our 1952 Allis-Chalmers WD pull-in tractor. Obviously the one you've seen in all the videos this year, and I have a pretty good collection of what it was when I bought it to what it is now in the videos that you've seen. So I'm going to compile all that together and see what we can come up with. So stay tuned, here we go. Alright, well that's it for this episode of Ontario Vintage Tractor. I hope you like seeing the restoration process of our pull-in tractor and then what it's come to be. And there'll be a lot more videos of that tractor this year as well. So we're quite active on the local pulling circuit with it. So as always, if you could like and subscribe down at the bottom, it'd be greatly appreciated. And until next time, take care.